Hey y'all, welcome to Mixed Messages. I'm Clare Ward, and today we are here to cheers to the Golden State. We're celebrating all things California, like the cool ingredients found here, the rich culture, and of course, the breweries, wineries, and distilleries that make the booze. We have learned a lot over the last few episodes. You've learned a lot of recipes. We featured some really fun California ingredients like passion fruit and grapefruit, really cool California products like vermouths and aperitifs, and of course, we've taken inspiration from movies, music, and TV shows featuring the great state of California. Today, we're going to go over the top 5 mistakes made by home bartenders. Coming in at number 5 is not using enough ice. Whether it be in your tin or in your glass, there's a common misconception that less ice equals a stronger drink. This definitely isn't true. The more ice you use, the quicker your drink gets to temperature and the less dilution. Always make sure you fill your tin and your glass with fresh ice to the very top. Coming in at number 4, not properly refrigerating our ingredients. Whether it be vermouth, fresh citrus, fruits, or any other syrups, it's always best to keep these ingredients in the fridge to ensure a longer shelf life. Coming in at number 3, not using fresh citrus. We are in California, and as we've learned, we have some of the best citrus, not only in the country, but in the whole world. It is a crime to not use fresh citrus in your drinks. Hit up your local farmer's market or grocery store, get yourself a hand press or a juicer, and make sure you always use fresh juice when it comes to your cocktails. Remember, when making drinks, fresh is always best. And coming in at number 2, one of the most important things is not properly measuring your ingredients. Remember, making cocktails is more like baking and less like cooking. You want to properly measure ingredients to ensure a balanced cocktail. Whether you have a jigger or tablespoon measures, just always make sure you're measuring every ingredient out. And coming in at number 1 is not being adventurous. We hope Mixed Messages has encouraged you to get out to your local farmers markets, liquor stores, breweries, wineries, and distilleries, and find new products and ingredients to experiment with. Remember, you never know what you're gonna like until you try it. And on the next episode of Mixed Messages, we are going to be issuing a California cocktail challenge. So until then, please drop a comment below if you have any questions about anything in this video or any previous videos of Mixed Messages, or if there's an ingredient that you would like to see featured. And until then, cheers, y'all!